Struggling to find the Export button in Pipedrive? Here's exactly how to turn any dashboard into a PDF in under a minute. So you need to share your pipeline view or your revenue forecast with someone who doesn't have a Pipedrive login. Maybe it's a stakeholder, maybe it's a client. And you look around the screen, there's no obvious button that says Export. It's frustrating, right? You know the data is right there, but how do you get it out? We're going to fix that right now. I'll walk you through it step by step. We'll open your dashboard, I'll show you the hidden export option, and then we'll save it as a clean PDF. Just follow along. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account like you normally do. Once you're on the main screen, everything we need is on the left-hand side. From the left sidebar, click on Insights. This is where all your dashboards and reports live. It's the hub for your visual data, your charts, your funnels. Just click it. Now, select the dashboard you want to export. You'll see a list of your saved dashboards here.
Maybe it's your sales pipeline dashboard. Maybe it's a custom one you built for your team. Click on the name to open it up. Give it a moment to fully load. Pipedrive pulls live data, so depending on how complex the dashboard is, it might take a few seconds to render everything. Let it finish. Once I actually see all the charts and numbers populate on screen, I know I'm good to go. Now, look in the top right corner of the dashboard. See that three-dot menu? The little vertical dots? That's your key. Click on that. From the drop-down menu, choose PDF Export. That's the option we're after. It's tucked away right there. Now Pipedrive will generate the PDF. This may take a few seconds, especially if your dashboard has a lot of data or multiple pages. Just hang tight. You'll see a loading indicator, and then your browser will take over. Your browser will automatically prompt you to save the file. It'll probably pop up in the bottom left corner or right in the middle of the screen, depending on your settings. Click Save or Download, and choose a place on your computer where you can find it easily. Finally, open the downloaded PDF to confirm everything looks good. Scroll through and check your charts, your filters, your deal stages. You want to make sure all that data transferred over cleanly. In my experience, Pipedrive does a really solid job with this export, so it should look exactly like what you see on screen. And that's it. From not knowing where the button was to having a clean, shareable PDF in your Downloads folder. Now you can email it, attach it to a Slack message, or print it out for a meeting. You've got your data out of Pipedrive and into anyone's hands.